Smoking a turkey is easy, just you need to have a nice smoker to smoke your turkey. Start by brining the turkey first by submerging your turkey in water with salt and pepper and seasoning for about 48 hours. Then you need to butter up your turkey inside with lots of butter. This will make your turkey to be more tender. If you want to have more flavor in your turkey, just rub the skin all around with any of your favorite rubs. Then, add onions and lemons inside the cavity. Finally, put the turkey standing up on any turkey stand and it is ready to put it in the smoker. When you are ready to smoke your turkey, just place a double aluminum tray inside the smoker so you can collect the juices for your gravy. Now it is time to smoke your turkey. Just place the turkey inside the smoker at a temperature between 225 and 275 for about 7 hours. Now it is just one thing left to do. Just watch the turkey smoke for the next 7 hours and make sure you baste your turkey with the turkey liquid every 30 minutes to make sure you will have a moist turkey. If you like this recipe, just don't forget to give us a thumbs up and activate the bell and subscribe.